back with another video. Today I'm going to clean my laptop, and I actually found an easier way of cleaning it, and I'm going to show you today how I clean my laptop. I tried this video before with a wet cloth, and I tried to go in between the keys, but paper just kept getting stuck in it. See, like, my laptop is much different than my dad's. His keys are up, so he can get in between the keys very easily than I can on mine. So I'm gonna try his theory and see if it actually works. And this is my keys. And it's a bit different, but then when I hit the key, dirt, dust, crumbs, everything can get inside. So let's see if his theory actually works. I'm going to use a vacuum. Okay, I'm gonna use a vacuum. And I got this brush here. I'm gonna vacuum the keys, and then I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to hit the bottom of my keys and see my laptop and see if any dirt or anything comes out of it. And I'm gonna put it on this paper plate over here, and then I'm going to use some glass cleaner, and I'm just going to lightly just clean the keyboard, and then we should be done. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if it works, because he's done it on his and it picked up the dirt and the crumbs and everything pretty well. So let's see if it works for my laptop, because my keyboard is much different than his. So yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of noise. It is loud, so if the noise bothers you, I apologize, but this is gonna be a no. I'm not gonna talk during the vacuum. So let me get started. As you can see, it does pick up the dust and the dirt. Let me see if it actually removed the dust from inside the keyboard. So I'm going to use my plate here. Hopefully I don't drop my laptop because yeah, okay, it's in view. Let me try it real quick. As you can see, there's there's no dust. It's gone. So whatever was in the keyboard is gone now. I don't know, let me see if you can let me get a close angle. I don't want to take you off the tripod because sometimes when I put my phone on this tripod and it's face down, it'll start calling the emergency call center. So I don't want to do that. So let me get a very close view. See, whatever was in my keys are no longer no longer present. If I can talk, that would be great. But yeah, it is nice and clean. Let me wipe it down. There's some glitter there. But yeah, it's all nice and clean now. Oh, there's a little bit of, oh, there's some paper there, but there's a little bit of tissue paper from when I was cleaning the laptop that day, and it's stuck in the keyboard. But other than that, all the dirt and dust and hair and everything that was on here is gone. So his theory does work. And yeah, I'm really surprised because he's done it on his laptop. So yeah, so it does work. Use a vacuum with a brush. Let me get it dry. Yeah, and if you see paper right here in the corner of the screen, I had actually cracked my screen. I actually cracked my screen and I had to get my screen replaced. So yeah, that's why there's some paper right there in the corner. Yeah, that black table in my room, I was using my was using my laptop on that table and the table folded and the laptop just fell on its side and the screen cracked. So I don't recommend using a folding table for a laptop. Because, you know, I think it's the weight of mine because my laptop's pretty big, so it couldn't hold the weight. So yeah, let me. Because it is a bit dirty. Don't mind the table, I have to clean it. But that's pretty much it. And I'm really happy. Now I got a clean computer to work from, and yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.